This is a 2010 BMW X5. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a cold weather package, the Premium Sound Package, the Rear Climate Package, and many other features. The following features are also included: air conditioning, BMW individual composition, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has less than 57,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Andy Mohr Buick GMC is the place to find new and pre-owned cars and trucks in Indianapolis. You can search our new and used car inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us at 9295 East 131st Street in Fishers, or see us online at andymohrbpg.com.